Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we take a quick look at 20 amazing tools from Makita, Milwaukee, DeWalt, and many more brands, highlighting the performance, innovation, and build quality that make them stand out in the tool industry. Auto Shop Borescope. The M12 Auto Shop Borescope puts clarity and confidence in every inspection, pairing a crisp 5.5-inch HD touchscreen with high-definition imaging and built-in Wi-Fi for instant sharing. Its slim 5mm camera head and dual-view cameras reach deep into tight spaces, while heat-sense technology safeguards the tool when temperatures rise. Polisher. Built for precision and control, this 16-volt polisher pairs a high-performance brushless motor with finely tuned variable speed control to adapt to every polishing task. A soft start delivers a smooth, confident launch while protecting the drivetrain. Percussion Hammer. The Percussion Hammer packs serious demolition power with a 1,520-watt motor and 43.2 joules of impact energy. Delivering 1,450 impacts per minute, it is built with double insulation for safety and a large trigger for confident, controlled operation on demanding jobs. MBS Pro. The MBS Pro makes furniture drilling fast and precise with easy adjustability, built-in depth control, and an engraved metric scale. Designed for clean right-angle drilling, it delivers consistent, professional results with minimal setup. Feeler Gauge Blade Sets. The Feeler Gauge blade sets combine precision, comfort, and organization in one complete solution. Instinct handles deliver a confident grip, while the split ring holder keeps blade types clearly separated for quick access. Grass Trimmer. The Engco Grass Trimmer delivers powerful 8,200 revolutions per minute performance with a wide 300mm cutting path. Its adjustable handle and telescoping shaft provide comfort and control, while the 180-degree rotating head quickly converts it from trimmer to edger for versatile lawn care. Impact Wrench. This impact wrench is powered by a high-performance, brushless motor delivering up to 320 Newton-meters of fastening torque. Precision leak-proof technology eliminates oil spills, while the Smart Loosen mode helps prevent nuts from dropping during removal. Portable Cyclone. The Portable Cyclone makes conduit bending fast and effortless, using a standard pipe threader to deliver clean, repeatable bends from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Lightweight, compact, and powerful, it saves time, reduces strain, and keeps the job moving. High-pressure washer. This compact high-pressure washer packs strong cleaning power with a 1,080-watt motor and 60-bar pressure. Easy to carry and energy efficient, it features self-stopping operation, IPX5 weather resistance, and dual tap water or self-priming use for reliable cleaning anywhere. Digital Torque Wrench. The Digital Torque Wrench brings precision to life with a bright, intelligent display and visual torque guidance that keeps you perfectly in control. Built to protect accuracy, adapt to your workflow, and stay reliable under pressure, it delivers confident, professional fastening without interruption. Work Light. The portable LED. Work Light brings powerful light wherever the job takes you, delivering 1,000 lumens of clear, wide illumination without the need for mains power. Built for tough conditions, it is rechargeable, weather-resistant, and easy to position, with the added bonus of doubling as a power bank when you need it most. Blower Vacuum. The DCK Blower Vacuum is a compact, versatile tool for blowing or vacuuming debris and dust. Easy to handle and efficient, it is ideal for garden cleanup, workshops, and delicate cleaning tasks like electronics. Chain Conveyor Transporter. The Chain Conveyor Transporter by Enerpac is a heavy-duty, automated solution designed to move massive industrial loads with precision and safety. Built for smart factory environments, it handles loads ranging from tons to hundreds of tons using advanced chain conveyor technology. Angle Grinder. The Angle Grinder delivers dependable performance for grinding, sanding, and metal finishing. Powered by an 800-watt motor with a 13,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed, it features durable gears, a spindle lock, and a compact 1.6 kilogram design for easy controlled use. Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit. The Adjustable Hole Cutter Kit delivers clean, precise sealing cuts with minimal mess, making it ideal for downlights and fittings. Designed to cut multiple materials, it features a clear dust-catching cowl and vibration-reducing spring for smooth, controlled drilling. Jakoda Socket Tester Holder. The Jakoda Socket Tester Holder is a smart 2-in-1 solution that stores and protects your socket tester while doubling as a multi-function tester nulling device. Compact and easy to hang, it keeps your tester secure, accessible, and saves space in your tool bag. Leolift. The Matador Leolift is a lightweight, aluminum lifting solution designed to make window frame transport fast and effortless. Proudly made in Holland, it delivers smooth handling and efficient movement, helping warehouses boost productivity with ease. Threading Tool Set. The threading tool set is built from durable GCR15 alloy steel for reliable, precise threading. It includes adjustable tap and die wrenches and a comprehensive range of taps and dies from M3 to M12, covering common metric sizes. Electric Planer. The Woken 7.5 amp electric planer delivers fast, smooth wood shaping with a powerful 900-watt motor and a 16,000 revolutions per minute cutting speed. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum base and adjustable depth control, it provides clean, accurate results for precise woodworking. Combination Squares. The Blue Spruce Indexable Joiners combination squares are designed for precision joinery, combining a true 90-degree face with traditional dovetail angles. With smart indexing, scribing guides, and edge support, they make hand-cut dovetail layout faster, cleaner, and more accurate. We hope this overview helps you better understand what each tool brings to the table and makes your next buying decision easier. Stay tuned for more tool-focused content and practical insights here on the Chopbusters.